Dear learners, welcome to the lecture on Human Library under the online refresher course ARPIT on emerging trends and technologies in library and information services. Myself Sandeep Kumar Pathak, Deputy Librarian at Central Library, Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, Bhopal. My topic of today's lecture is Human Library. Everyone has a story to share. Following is the outline of my topic. Today I will be taking lecture on this concept of the human library. I will be also talking about human library origin, human library books, human library readers, steps involved in organizing a reading session, human library at IISER Bhopal. As an example, I will be discussing about readers of the human book, benefits of the human library, added points for the library and infrastructure required for to host human library. As we know, modern academic libraries are working on more effective ways and means to be relevant and to meet the expectations of the readers of new generation. Academic libraries are engaged in organizing and dissemination of information using physical and electronic information resources. Dear learners, as we know that all the researchers may not communicate like faculty members. Not all of them publish their knowledge and research experience, but they are ready to share their research experience if a suitable atmosphere is available. Providing such platform for sharing knowledge is an effective methodology and may be seen as an opportunity by the librarians, knowledge managers. It is expected from the librarians to provide such resources, services and platform to academic community. A human book has a great potential compared to a formal volume. It is dynamic and can change the content as per the knowledge information requirement of the reader. A formal book is not live like a human book. Remember that a human book cannot be borrowed, read like a physical or digital source. Human library concept. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam has said once, one best book is equal to the hundreds good friends, but one good friend is equal to a library. Now this thought of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam has become an urban thought which is also known as human book. In this concept there are no print textbooks, but talking human live books are available. These human books are not being read, but these books talk and heard. Here, each human being is a human book in himself, herself, and they have their own story. And with this concept, in India also, human libraries are being set up. With human book, one can ask the questions and can also have their views. To know these answers, first we need to understand the concept of human book. In human library, one can choice of human book, can also talk to a human book for 30 minutes time or as decided by the mutual consent. It also helps people to improve mental health and to remove mental pressure, social barrier. In human library, those subjects are being discussed which generally we do not discuss in the society. In human library, first the topic and name of the human book is being announced. In human library, human books are being identified on various topics and human books are willing to share their stories with people. Exchange of ideas takes place in human library. Human library is a very good idea to weigh out stress spreading especially in urban areas. This concept is a big success in big cities. Human library motivate people to do something new. Lots of human books are around us and we need to provide them a platform to share their experience about human library. The human library is, in the true sense of the word, a library of people. In human library, readers can borrow human beings serving as open books and have conversation they would not normally have access to. Every human book from the respective bookshelf represent a group in our society that is often subjected to prejudice, stigmatization, or discrimination because of their lifestyle, diagnosis, belief, disability, social status, ethnic origin, etc. The Human Library creates a safe space for dialogue where topics are discussed openly between human books and their readers. The Human Library exists to promote dialogue and inclusion towards persons who have experienced prejudice due to how they identify. Founded in 2000 in Denmark to promote human rights and social cohesion, a human library emphasizes empathy as a tool to create greater understanding between people and provides an intentional space where people learn more about each other. The origin of the Human Library. The Human Library was created in Copenhagen in the spring of 2000 by Ronny Abergel and his brother Danny and colleagues Ashma Mauna and Christopher Eriksson. The original event was open 8 hours a day for 4 days straight and featured over 50 different titles. Introduction. A human library consists of books that are human. Each of these books volunteers to take part in the library and share their story. Like a regular library, the human library has a book jacket and description. A reader can check out books on a topic that they may be interested in learning more about. Readers who participate to learn more about those persons, their life and challenges and stereotypes that they have overcome or presently face. Human library books. A person who volunteers to talk about their life story. Most human books have experienced prejudice and or discrimination because of their identity or part of their identity. Typically, a person chooses to be a book because they believe that their story can affect another person's understanding of a certain culture, subculture, or identity. Should I be a human book? It depends. Do you feel that your experience can help others empathize with people who identify in ways similar to yourself? Remember, a human library can be an emotionally challenging space. Consider what you are willing to discuss, what limit you have, and when or why you might need to opt out. How one can prepare to be a human book. First, one need to sign up. Now think about their story. What part of their story can tell in 30 minutes? Remember, one don't need to tell us everything. Just talk about the stuff that will help others get to know you. Consider stories that involve a dilemma or conflict human book had to overcome. Then reflect on how human book can use that story to enrich another person's understanding. Don't forget, human book readers will probably have questions for human book. Be ready to answer, especially when it comes to questions that might be uncomfortable or awkward. Again, human book can always opt out by choosing not to answer a question or by ending the conversation entirely. Human book readers. A person who chooses to hear stories of identity based discrimination and are prejudice as told from the people who experience them. The people who tell their stories are called books, and people who listen and questions are called readers. A person who is willing to admit that they feel bias or discomfort toward a certain group of people and want to confront that bias. A person who has had questions about certain identities but has never felt that they could safely discuss those questions. How do I become a reader? Just show up, that's it. But you should also be ready to feel challenged, to emphasize, to question, and to learn. Also, you will want to keep in mind that books are limited, so that earlier you arrive, the more likely you are to find a book. Don't judge a book by its cover. The Human Library is designed to build a positive framework for conversation that can challenge stereotypes and prejudice through dialogue. The Human Library is a place where real people are on loan to readers, a place where difficult questions are expected, appreciated, and answered. What is a human library book? A book with us is a person that volunteered to represent a stigmatized group in the community and based on their personal experiences can answer questions from readers to help challenge what is being said, told, understood about a given topic. To help shed light on the facts as you know them. Books are not political or on a mission when with us, but rather able to surrender to the agenda of the reader and allow them control of the conversation. Human book. What do I have to do? First, decide if you think this is something for you. If all seems like a good fit, then you will be invited to a training for new books. After completing the training, then together publishing potential will be assessed, and if all is well, Human Library Management will begin to invite you to the event hosted by the Library or Student Council. And naturally, you need to be motivated to answer questions from strangers and have patience and empathy, and you need to attend training before you can be published. Human book. How much time do I have to invest? Ideally, Human book can spare at least one day a month, either to be a part of Human Library events or activities relating to the other social programs such as reading corners, summer get together, annual library book awards, etc. Human book. What do I get? Human book get to be a part of the most diverse group in the community. Human book get to meet and learn about people that will inspire you and lift you and give your network new life. Perhaps make new friends, and for sure you will gain insight into what others think, believe and dream of. You will become rich on humanity and you may gain a greater understanding of yourself also. Part of the reward in this work is realizing that the only thing that is not reduced when shared is knowledge. Human book. Who takes care of me? Our friendly librarians and Institute Students Advisory Council are always there to help you and to make sure that you are kept in mint condition. They are there to ensure that you have a good experience every time you are published. Organizing a human book session. Following steps are involved in organizing a reading session. Identifying the expert resource person human book, need to make an announcement in the institute website, library website or other suitable platforms and inviting readers. Readers can reserve a human book as they reserve a physical book. Limited readers are allowed in a single session as per the space availability or as decided by the Human Library Management. Guidelines may be circulated to readers and can also be briefed to respective readers just before the session. Generally, library moderates the Human Library session. The Human Library session is recorded and archived with the consent of the human book. Academic achievements by the human book may be displayed along with physically available publications, and readers can access the recording on the designated platform. Human Library at ISER Bhopal. ISER Bhopal has organized few of the Human Library sessions and received very good response. At this moment, Human Library sessions are organized thrice in a year, but we are now planning to increase the sessions. I am now going to show few photographs of our recent Human Library sessions. These are the few photographs of Human Library sessions where faculty members and students were invited, and we got a very good response. It was much appreciated by the academic community at IISER Bhopal. Readers of the human book. One need to understand that it is difficult to locate a human book unless the library offers it to the readers. It is expected from the readers to treat human book differently as it is delicate and sensitive, especially from the new readers in Human Library. It is expected to avoid repetitive and journal questions. This is the time to get best of human book, so focus can be more on specialization of a human book. Unnecessary discussion, arguments can be avoided. Benefits of the Human Library. Generally, it is a library event and more informal and more interactive without any barriers. More interdisciplinary discussions and new ideas takes place. Better interpersonal relation and professional networking. Culture of the organization is transferred to readers effectively during Human Library sessions. Implicit knowledge get captured, which is generally difficult to transfer to another persons by means of writing, etc. Expertise of the employee who left the organization or about to leave can also be made use of. And the most important point is that everyone gets a chance to share their knowledge at this platform. Benefits for the human book. Based on the Human Library session, human book can identify the talent in the organization and can be reported the same to the institute management. Human book can judge the gap in readers' knowledge and fill the same based on the questions raised during Human Library session. After the successful session of Human Library, human book may become popular and more in demand among the readers. Added points for the library. Strengthening the position in the institution. Such initiatives are appreciated by the academic community. More support from the management and administration. It helps to identify the gap in the information sources and to fill the gap. Provides supplement information to the readers and human book. And encourage the research activities in the organization by hosting such activities on regular basis. Infrastructure required to host Human Library. Experts are to be identified and data bank of such resource persons need to be prepared. A silent space with adequate furniture and audio-visual system to capture the event. A recording studio with the capacity of accommodating at least 20 people are as decided with all modern recording facilities. Conclusion. Human books and human book readers both enjoy the session, and it is noticed that human book interact with the readers cordially, share the expertise and the knowledge is being transferred during the session, which was not recorded formally earlier. Readers enjoy the session as the atmosphere is very informal and generally readers do not look at the expert holding the position but purely as a human book. More and more expert resource persons are ready to contribute and to become human books. And readers also started suggesting expert resource persons to the panel. Human books and readers of the human book both are beneficiary in this process. Reading session organized by the Human Library is mostly one-to-one. In academic institutions, though ideal method is little hard to implement, resource persons, experts are very busy and it is difficult to get their time. For individual reader is difficult. Library may plan of providing an opportunity to more readers in a single reading session as per the availability of the expert resources persons, which we also call now as human book. Human books will be respected by the academic community when they deliver the services to the readers. Library and the librarians play the pivotal role in this. If Students Advisory Council of the respective institutions is already taking such initiative, then Institute Library can join in this process and to make it more systematic and regular event. These are the references I have used to make this lecture for ARPIT. Acknowledgement and declaration by myself. I would like to express my sincere thanks to the authors of various internet resources used to prepare this presentation. Wherever possible, the references have been provided. However, any omission is duly regretted. The presentation is mainly prepared to create an awareness among library and information science professionals on this topic. In last, as concluding, I am thankful to the IIT Delhi, especially the coordinator of the ARPIT program for giving me this opportunity to share my views on Human Library. For any further relevant information, queries, clarifications or suggestions, may I request learners to put it in the ARPIT discussion forum or please feel free to write me skpathak@iicrb.ac.in, pathakkgp@gmail.com. Thank you.